Grandma,
You look beautiful, Mommy.
you look beautiful. You look beautiful, Grandma. You're brushing your hair, making you look pretty. You're still pretty with your hair messed up.
You can relax. I can hold you. You don't have to hold all your weight, so. You don't have to.
You don't have to. Lay down, Grandma. They got you. They did it already. Lay down.
Thank you for your help.
You look beautiful, Mommy.
You look so pretty, Grandma. You know that?
Do you guys want her hair braided or
Down straight.
down straight, just
Yeah.
so she don't get too. Okay. That way we can just move it. Okay. All right.
Grandma, I love you. I love you, Grandma. You hear me? I love you.
Maybe I'll let her rest for a little bit and then we can sit her up.
I love you.
Braid it real quick.
You hear me?
Chill, that's fine.
Look, she's smiling. Love you, pretty lady. You hear me? You love me? Yeah? Oh.
Get your medicine, Mommy. Ready?
Sure. They wanted it straight though, didn't they?
Yeah, just
down?
Yeah, that's how she used to have it. So I think
Oh, just like this?
Just straight down, like just like
On
this.
each
As long as
side,
it's brushed out, yeah.
Okay.
As long as it's not tangled.
All right. I think we're
That one
straight
would probably
now.
be better. That one's really like sharp. I love you.
You want to put your pillows back?
I love you. You hear me? I love you.
Your annoyance is coming, Mama. She knows what I'm talking about.
You're a pain in the ass.
Your annoyance is coming.
No, her favorites and some of them. I have entered the building. Let's put her pillows
I
back.
know I'm the
I'm gonna lift your head so you can get some pillows.
Mama, your favorite's here. Huh, yeah. Shannon. Huh, Mommy? You're jealous of me, huh, Mama? Oh, look at how
She said,
beautiful.
uh-huh. Your hair looks so pretty, Grandma.
I got
It's nice and brushed and washed.
I got my beauty from you, Mommy. I'm lacking a little now, but it's okay.
Yeah. Aw.
I don't even look as pretty as you right now.
Where you guys put that? Okay.
It's, oh, yeah, it's me. I love you, Mommy. Tired? I'm gonna sleep again.
Well, we're done now.
I love you so much.
Hair ties right there.
So much. Oh, look at the beautiful eyes. I got her eyes too, see? I got her eyes, her nose. I look just like you. You know my grandma. Huh, Mommy? You tired again?
Thank you, guys.
Did you see the baby today? I'm not going nowhere, Mama. You can hold my hand. You need a cough? You want me to sit you up a little bit? Cough, Mama. Go ahead. I'm right here. I'm right here. You don't have to. Don't hold your hand. I got you. That's what the big old muscles are for, Mama.
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta give her her medicine.
Time for medicine, okay, Mama?
It'll make you feel better.
Just gotta go.
You look so beautiful. You're my beautiful Indian
It's
princess.
12:01, right?
She said.
12:01, Mama. You're gonna get medicine, okay? I'm gonna feed the babies. I bought them a pool, and they're swimming like little fishies. Just like how you used to have me
Aw,
swimming
you
like a
see
little
her?
fishy. Remember when I used to swim like a little fishy when I was a baby? Yeah. You taught me how to do that, huh, Mama? Here, throw me in a pool, huh? You and Grandma.
Love you, Grandma.
There's your pain in the ass, Mama.
Hey, watch
I
out.
love you.